iOS 26, the biggest iPhone software redesign since 2013. Liquid glass revealed. Get ready for a revolutionary shift in iPhone aesthetics. Apple has unveiled a bold new design language, liquid glass, at its annual Worldwide Developers Conference. This marks the most significant iPhone software overhaul since 2013, promising a fresh and immersive user experience. But here's where it gets controversial. Apple's new interface replaces familiar buttons and menus with translucent animated versions, creating a unique liquid light flow. While this design choice is sure to divide opinions, it's a bold move that could redefine our interaction with iPhones. And this is the part most people miss. Apple relies on public feedback during beta testing to refine and adapt to these radical interfaces. So, your input truly matters in shaping the future of iPhone design. In addition to the stunning visual overhaul, iOS 26 introduces practical updates like combining recent calls and voicemail in the phone app and enhanced screening tools to combat spam. However, the much anticipated Siri AI improvements are notably absent, with Apple delaying these features until 2026. Despite this, Apple has delivered several impressive AI-powered features, such as real-time translations in iMessage and FaceTime and visual search capabilities using screenshots. Apple's annual software update cycle is a well-oiled machine. Announced in June, these updates are first previewed by developers, followed by a public beta release over the summer. Finally, with the launch of new iPhone hardware in the fall, Apple rolls out the updated software, automatically updating most users' devices. So, what do you think of Apple's liquid glass design? Will it revolutionize iPhone aesthetics, or is it a step too far? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's spark a discussion on the future of iPhone design. Introducing iOS 26. Features you'll love. Revolutionizing your iPhone experience. Unpacking the groundbreaking features of iOS 26. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your iPhone? With the highly anticipated release of iOS 26, Apple is set to redefine the mobile experience. While the world waits with bated breath for the iPhone 17 models, we're diving into the exciting software updates that will transform your device. From the stunning liquid glass design to innovative features like live translation, we've got the inside scoop on what's coming to your iPhone this September or October. A new era of design, liquid glass. After over a decade of the flat, clean user interface introduced in iOS 7, Apple is shaking things up with liquid glass. This isn't just a design overhaul, it's a unified visual language that will permeate the entire Apple ecosystem, from iOS to watchOS, tvOS, and iPadOS. Imagine an interface that behaves like real glass, adapting to light and color in a truly immersive way. Key highlights of liquid glass. All clear look. Experience your home screen in a whole new light with every icon transformed into clear glass, devoid of color. Enhanced lock screens. Unlock the potential of spatial scenes, leveraging machine learning to add depth to your background photos. Dynamic lock screen. Witness controls merge and adapt in real time, exemplifying the liquid in liquid glass. Camera and photos. Minimalism redefined. Simplify camera app. Navigate a more intuitive interface with just two primary modes, video or camera. Discover additional features with a simple swipe or tap. Streamline Photos app. Enjoy a revamped viewing experience, complete with a liquid glass menu at the bottom of the screen, making navigation a breeze. Empowering communication. Updates to phone, messages, and FaceTime. Phone app revamp. A unified layout and call screening feature put you in control, while Hold Assist saves you from the frustration of endless hold music. Messages gets personal. Add dynamic backgrounds, conduct group polls, and enjoy enhanced spam detection for a cluster-free experience. FaceTime's minimal makeover. Controls discreetly disappear during calls, and the landing page now showcases engaging video clips of your contacts. Safari, music, and games. Enhanced experiences. Safari's tab bar evolution, a floating adaptive tab bar that shrinks as you scroll, keeping your focus on the content. Music app innovations, live lyrics translation, pronunciation guides, and auto mix for seamless song transitions. Gaming on iPhone just got serious. A dedicated games app for direct access to Apple Arcade and more, acknowledging the 500 million people who game on their iPhones. Live translation, maps and wallets, bridging gaps. Breaking language barriers, live translation in messages, FaceTime and phone, ensuring global communication is just a step away. Maps gets personalized, receive alerts for frequent routes and explore visited places, categorize for ease. Wallet's new capabilities, create a digital ID for age and identity verification, track product orders and enjoy enhanced rewards and payment options. Unveiling more features powered by Apple Intelligence. Genmoji evolution, combine emojis for unique expressions and leverage ChatGPT for advanced image creation. Visual intelligence expansion, from screen content analysis to event detail extraction, the possibilities are vast. What Apple didn't mention, discover hidden gems in iOS 26, from AirPods camera remote to customizable snooze durations, high quality audio recording and enhanced accessibility features. iOS 26 availability and compatibility. Release window, September or October, alongside new iPhone 17 models. Developer and public betas already available for developers, with a public beta expected this month. Compatible devices, iPhone 11 and later, including iPhone SE, second generation and laser. How to make your iPhone home screen icons clear with iOS 26. Liquid glass design. Ready to give your iPhone a jaw-dropping makeover? Apple's latest iOS 26 update introduces a feature that's turning heads and stirring up debate. Imagine your home screen icons becoming almost invisible, letting your wallpaper shine through like never before. Some users are calling it a game changer, while others wonder if it's a step too far. Curious? Let's dive in. With the public beta of iOS 26, Apple has rolled out the much-anticipated liquid glass design. This new look allows you to make your app icons completely transparent, creating a sleek, futuristic effect. If you love the color tinting options from iOS 18, you'll find this new feature both familiar and exciting, but with a bold twist. Here's how you can transform your iPhone's home screen with the liquid glass effect. Start by long pressing anywhere on your home screen's background. You'll notice your app icons begin to wiggle, signaling that you're in edit mode. If you've ever rearranged your apps, you'll recognize this little dance. 2. Look for the edit button in the top left corner of your screen. Tap it, then select the customize option that appears. This is your gateway to all the new design choices. 3. A menu will pop up at the bottom of your display, offering several appearance options: light, dark, tinted, and the new clear setting. Want to see your wallpaper in all its glory? Tap clear to activate the liquid glass design. And just like that, your icons will fade into near invisibility, letting your chosen wallpaper take center stage. It's a subtle yet dramatic change. Perfect for those who want a minimalist look or simply want to show off a favorite photo or artwork. But here's where it gets controversial. Some users love the clean, distraction-free vibe, while others argue that making icons transparent could make it harder to find apps quickly. Is this a bold leap forward in design, or a usability nightmare waiting to happen? That's up for debate. If you ever want to switch things up, maybe try the tinted look again or revert to the classic icon style. Just repeat the same steps. Apple makes it easy to experiment so you can find the look that suits you best. And this is the part most people miss. Customizing your home screen isn't just about aesthetics. It's about making your device feel truly yours. Whether you are a fan of bold new trends or prefer to stick with what's familiar, iOS 26 gives you the freedom to choose. So what do you think? Is the liquid glass design a brilliant innovation or a step too far? Would you make your icons invisible, or do you prefer the traditional look? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's get the conversation started.